Hey guys, Sunday here. Welcome back to a brand new video. I can't move my mouse. So yeah. If I can't move my mouse, I'm not going to be able to play. I'm not able to play. What's the point of the video? So you know what I'm going to do? Huh? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. Alright? We're going to make this reaction video. You want to know what else we're going to do? I did planned all of this. Why? But today, guys, we're going to be reacting to every Taco Bell ever, bro. Let's go. Alright. So,
what should I get?
Yeah. We're just going to start.
Oh, it's easy. Just combine any words you can think of, and it'll be on the menu. Hey, can I get a Doritos Locos Tacos Mountain Dew Supreme, please?
Oh, yeah, you got it, homie.
Okay, can I get a grande nacho super awesome devil sandwich chocolate the best Helena Bonham burrito?
Oh, did you want to triple deck that chocolate divorce?
Okay, sure.
Okay, you got it, homie.
What the heck?
Every Taco Bell. Oh, frick. Hey, Chad.
What's up, jabroni?
Oh, I think our Taco Bell's broken. Oh, no, on the contrary, my dude. The Taco Bell is fully functional, but only skater dudes named Kyle can hear it. Wait, for real? Yeah. You ready, my dude? Yeah, false alarm. Sorry, Kyles. Just teaching the new guy all about the bell. Oh, all good, man. Kyles. Whoa!
What the heck?
Every fake meat ever.
Order 69? Thanks, man. No problem. Hey, Liv Moss.
What did you just say to me?
Liv Moss. Oh my god. You're right. Thank you.
What?
You know, I've been so brainwashed by the system society has trapped me in, droning on day by day, trapped in a cubicle, slowly waiting to die. I haven't been living Moss. I've been living Manos. But you know what? No longer! Because I'm quitting my job, and I'm moving to a commune in Venezuela! You, sir, are an enlightened human being. Thank you so much. But Taco Bell's not real Mexican food.
I actually heard Taco Bell is the healthiest fast food you can ever eat. I don't know about that. I'd definitely be skeptical and maybe do some research before believing it. Hi!
So,
Is Taco Bell the healthiest fast food you can get?
yeah, sure.
Amazing! Honestly, I'm really not surprised. It's really nice to know that I'm getting healthier by eating this. I'll have
What?
1,000 tacos.
You want to make it a meal?
Hell yes.
Alright. Quick tip, order fresca style. Order 420.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, do you want any hot sauce?
No, thanks.
Okay, what type of hot sauce you want?
No, I don't want hot sauce.
How many hot sauces?
I don't want hot sauce.
Like the
Wow.
hot sauces are like fortune cookies.
Bro, I'm dead.
Okay, guys. A couple years ago, we started selling breakfast at our Taco Bells, and it fucking killed! What else can we serve? Alcohol! Yes! Cinnamon rolls! Moss! French fries! Moss, baby, moss! Ice cream! Moss, moss, moss!
Rubber cement!
Why the moss not?
Ostrich!
Moss! Sewage! Moss!
Bugs Bunny!
Do I hear a moss?
Kisses!
Moss! That's human meat! Ooh, daddy needs his moss! Human teeth!
What?
We wish you a Merry Christmas!
Tamales!
White.
Oh, like authentic Mexican food, like tamales?
Get out. You bitch! Every Taco Bell ever.
Well,
Hey,
Yeah.
guys, it's-
that was something. But anyway, we all know that was something, really something. Yeah, we're doing another one. Let's just let's play.
I actually said lightning.
I never watched this. Well, it was my brother. Don't.
We've been here for like half an hour.
Excuse me, but I'm a sandwich artiste. Now, if you got a problem with it, take your ass down to McDonald's.
Shit.
Right around the corner. Every Subway ever.
Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, so what I'm gonna need are 2 Parmesan hot bread 6-inch subs with extra Italian, 1 rat-sized nibble of cheese baked onto 2 half pounds of lettuce, dashed with sweet pepper spritzed with hand-pressed authentic olive oil, filled with Swedish roast beef, fused with another 6-inch sub that's done veggie, vegan, veterinarian style, brought down from the Himalayas by a well-mannered stripling in Gold.
Okay, you want a 6-inch Pakistan. What?
Every Subway
Hi, I'd like a salad, please.
Okay. What kind of bread?
No, a salad?
Right. What kind of bread?
None, a salad.
Right. What kind of bread option? Subway's the best bread.
All right, man, you're all set. Eat fresh.
I'm sorry?
It's our slogan. Eat fresh.
I should eat fresh? So you're telling me to not eat this sandwich?
You know.
Why does your brother say?
Doesn't matter. It's fresh.
Greetings, sir, madam. So, I'm trying to eat healthier now, so that's why I'm here at Subway today. Do you have whole wheat bread?
Of course we do.
Perfect. I'll get 2 foot-long meatball subs with double provolone and an extra row of meatballs and the largest Coke that you have. And then instead of chips, can I instead get a 3 foot-long party sub Dunkin' Mayo?
You look fresh. What's your name?
Subway.
What kind of bread?
No bread! Just vegetables in a bowl!
What? Wait, bread bowl?
Lettuce and tomato?
Yes, please. And could I also get spinach, cucumbers, onions, both the white and the purple, please? Pickles, and bell peppers, cheese, both shredded and sliced, obviously.
Sweet. Is that it?
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I get a little more lettuce, please? Give me more lettuce. Or just a little more lettuce, please. Sir, am I gonna have to call your manager? I want more lettuce. Perfect. Just wrap it on up and I'll be on my merry way.
Yeah, I went to a Subway once, and then this dude came out of nowhere. He asked for a lot of lettuce. I'm like, bro, I've been standing in line.
Right.
What?
There you
And
go.
then I was like,
Eat fresh.
I just left because it took him a long time just to make that one sandwich.
Great. Now put all the vegetables into the bowl.
Wow. So it's only vegetables.
Yes, a salad. It's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, would you like this toasted?
No.
How long would you like this toasted for?
I'm not talking about subtraction.
I've got every single one. Oh,
Hi.
not STDs.
Hi. I would love a cup of broccoli cheddar soup.
Oh my god. She's here! The chosen one! The day finally came! No one ever buys our soup! It would be my honor to serve you soup, my dear lady, yes! Shit! We only have chicken noodle soup today. Tuesdays. Broccoli cheddar day. I'm so sorry. We've let you down. Our chosen one.
What kind of Subway is this?
See you in the next life, dear friend.
In the next life, dear friend.
What?
isn't it burning?
I don't know. Did we forget to plug the soup in?
Oh,
Bro,
we haven't unplugged it in years. We discontinued it in like 2008.
Oh my gosh, I guess it's just been sitting there.
Yeah, I just
did.
Okay, in that case, I will just get a salad.
For sure.
Okay.
What type of bread? Every Subway ever. Thank you guys so
I
much
knew
for
it.
keeping it
Alright.
fresh with us. Click the button
Alright.
to watch every McDonald's.
I had my keyboard upside down. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I knew this video was short, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, and yeah, peace. See you next week. Happy Memorial Day. Goodbye.